Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will share with you how I make this very quick, simple and delicious noodle salad. So for this dish, I used soy sauce, roasted paprika, sesame seeds, lime juice, fish sauce, sesame oil, garlic, parsley, a yellow pepper, salt, coconut oil, and noodles. Cook the noodles according to the instructions. In the meantime, cut the paprika and the yellow pepper, mince the garlic, and cilantro. Because I'm making a salad and I don't need it to be hot, I am washing the noodles with cold water. To make the dressing, combine soy sauce with fish sauce, sesame oil, coconut oil, a little bit of salt, some sesame seeds, lime juice, and garlic. Mix it and set it aside. Add to the noodles, add the paprika, chili pepper, and parsley. At last minute, I also decided to add some spring onions. And then finally add the dressing, and you can add however much you like. For a delicious warm noodle recipe, check out this video. And if you're more of a rice person, you might enjoy this fried rice recipe. Thanks for watching, guys.